Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ridwan from Sultan Idris Education University. In this video we're going to talk about the definition of strategic human resource planning. According to Schuler, 1992, strategic human resource planning is the process of forecasting an organization's future human resource needs and developing strategies to meet those needs, aligned with the organization's long-term objectives. In simpler terms, it means looking ahead, predicting what kind of people the organization will need, and planning how to attract, develop, and keep them. There are a few key features that make strategic human resource planning different from traditional HR planning. First, future-oriented. It looks ahead, not just at current vacancies but at what the organization will need in the future. Second, strategic alignment. It connects HR planning directly to the organization's long-term goals. Third, comprehensive. It covers everything from recruitment, training, performance management, succession planning, and retention. Fourth, continuous. It's an ongoing process that must be reviewed and updated regularly. And lastly, quantitative and qualitative. It's not just about the number of employees but also about their skills, motivation, and potential. Now, let's look at how the SHRP process actually works. There are 5 main stages. First, environmental scanning. This means analyzing both internal and external factors that can affect the workforce, such as technology, economy, or company strategy. Second, forecasting HR demand and supply. Here, the organization estimates how many people and what kinds of skills will be needed in the future. Third, gap analysis. This step identifies the difference between what the organization currently has and what it will need. Fourth, action planning. After finding the gaps, HR develops plans for recruitment, training, succession, and retention. And lastly, monitoring and evaluation. Finally, the HR team tracks progress and adjusts the plan whenever business conditions change. Let's make this more concrete with a real example. Microsoft's HR planning focuses on future skills forecasting. The company constantly studies emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and data science to predict what skills it will need in the next few years. HR works closely with business leaders to plan talent acquisition and training accordingly. At the same time, Microsoft invests heavily in reskilling its current employees through platforms like Microsoft Learn, so they can keep up with new technologies. Because of this forward-thinking approach, Microsoft's workforce remains ready to drive innovation and stay ahead of competitors in the tech industry. That's a great example of strategic human resource planning in action. Planning today for the workforce you'll need tomorrow. So, to wrap up, strategic human resource planning is not just an HR exercise, it's a strategic process that connects people, strategy, and success. Thank you for watching.